Hi everyone, welcome back to my yet another video. Right now I am in Palakkad. This place known as Pathrakadavu. You can see the beautiful place. This is one of the very nice and beautiful place. You can see around me the good sceneries. I hope you will enjoy when you come here if you are around this area. Very good time to visit this area. Your main advantage of best climate, very cool feel. And around me many rocks you can see, and behind me you can see the water falling. This is very cool water for swimming, very good. Many tourists are coming here. Very busy area and very interesting to see. You guests must have to come. Surely you will enjoy this area. Very nice. Many tourists are here. See guys, now lunch time, we are preparing food. After that we will swim here. Really very beautiful and awesome place. Okay. Mostly tourists are coming morning and evening. Everybody enjoying behind me, you can see. Very good and nice place for swimming. Very safe. We have to be a little bit carefully while walking this area because rocks are many rocks are you can see around me. For one day tour, it is very beautiful place.